Mike's grand opening. Mike Tom's Complete Auto Repair. Yeah, my car is going to be the first getting serviced. Check engine lights on. Somebody broke my window last night. Anyways, back to the featured event. 3 bays, no waiting, nice office. Let's go inside. It's very nice when you walk in. It's nice and clean. Room to wait. Nice clean restroom for us ladies. Very nice facility. Congratulations, Mikey. Here's Colleen, your lovely receptionist. That's Mike in the blue shirt. The hoist. There's Jimmy. And this is the 3rd bay. This room is probably still a little of a work in process for Mikey. Just bringing all of his tools in, his equipment. And that's it. Say hi, Riddler.
Hi, Riddler.
Congratulations, Mike and Colleen. Good luck and much success.